Industry 4.0 has already begun to transform manufacturing today. With IoT as one of the key enablers, factories are expected to benefit greatly from IoT. Key benefits include increased efficiencies, decreased operational costs, and lower waste, boosting revenue due to better agility and real-time visibility. Oracle has already implemented Industry 4.0 manufacturing solutions in Oracle IoT Production Monitoring Cloud. With IoT, you can connect to any manufacturing systems. AI is built into the IoT solution, so you can monitor the status of machines in real time, predict if a machine will break down, and receive notification before production is halted. Let's start with a global dashboard for all of your manufacturing. Key KPIs are tracked in real time, including output levels, yield, and quality. We track by production sites, manufacturing lines, and products. With globalization, many manufacturing operations are distributed across continents. This makes it impossible for the production manager to visualize and gauge what is happening in real time on the shop floor. Not so with Oracle IoT Production Monitoring. We provide an accurate representation of your shop floor and overlay it with real-time production data. Not only are key KPIs tracked in real time, you can also easily set up production rules so that you will be notified in real time of any anomalies. Here's a more detailed view of the status of factories. On top is a map view with instant KPIs shown on top. At the bottom, detailed views of the factory, lines, and products are shown. In addition to showing the key KPIs of all your factories, we have included the ability to benchmark your factories as well. Our analytics are easy to use. You can scroll back in time to look at historic data to gain perspective on your product floor. With built-in machine learning, we can use your past data and build a prediction model to warn you if any metrics are trending poorly. In conclusion, Oracle IoT Production Monitoring Cloud enables you to deploy Industry 4.0 today, with IoT to connect to any manufacturing systems. Using AI and ML, it can give you a historic perspective and predictive powers to prevent lines down or low yields.